Alright, so I'm in the shop today working on this 2011 Toyota Tacoma. A buddy of mine brought in. Hadn't run in like 5 years because it was part of an estate sale or something to that effect. Ultimately, after pulling a fuel pump and doing a bench test on it and everything, it ended up being the key fob. So we replaced the battery on the key fob and then still had rough idle in the #1 cylinder. This is the #1 cylinder on these, so now we're going to test them. Alright gang, so what I did here to test this coil pack is I swapped the #1 to the #3, and then I reran the same test and checked the codes. We still had a cylinder misfire in #1. What that tells me is that both of these coil packs are still good. We have a different issue. So let's pull this plug and see what's going on. Alright, so I pulled the plugs, and yeah, I think it's safe to say that they're junk. That's what we pulled out of that 5 years of sitting. You can see they're varnished up. These things probably couldn't hold a fire if they wanted to. It's probably where our rough idle was coming from. We're going to put it all back together now and see if our rough idle's gone away. Alright, so we pulled the passenger side coil packs as well as the spark plugs and got them changed out. I came over to do the driver's side, and this is awesome. The coil packs, I don't know if you can see them, are way down in here. Basically, I had to remove the intake to even get access to them, so we'll get this party started on this side and see what we're gonna do now. Rough idle's completely gone though, so that's good. We'll swap these out. She should be good to go.